In today's quick guide, we're going to walk you through how to turn on the infrared night vision feature on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera. This feature is essential for keeping an eye on things even in complete darkness. Open the My Home app. Select your camera. From the main screen of the app, tap on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera to access the live feed. Access camera settings. Find the night vision settings. Scroll through the options until you find Night Vision Settings. Activate Night Vision. In the Night Vision settings, you will typically find options such as Auto, On, and Off. Choose On to manually activate the infrared night vision. Selecting Auto will allow the camera to automatically switch to night vision in low light conditions. Check the live feed. The image should now be in black and white, indicating that infrared night vision is in use. That's all it takes to turn on infrared night vision on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera. Now you're all set to monitor your surroundings even in the darkest conditions.